All right, welcome guys. Today we're going to talk about angle bisectors, how to solve for x, and how to find the angle measures. So we've got an angle ABC, and you notice it says ray BD bisects angle ABC. That just means that angle ABD and angle DBC are equal. So the bisector means it's going to split the big angle dead in the middle. So to solve for x here, because I've got one angle measure and another angle measure, and they're the same, I'm going to set them equal to each other. So take angle CBD and set it equal to angle ABD. And then solve for x just like we've done in the past. Subtract 7x from both sides. And we're left with 2x minus 5 equals 5. Okay. Move all constants to the other side, so add 5 to both sides. And we're left with 2x equals 10. Divide both sides by 2. And we get x equals 5. So now we have a value for our variable. So to find the angle measure, we need to plug in the value for x into x. And you can do it into either one. I like to do it into both of them sometimes to make sure that it's correct. All right, value's 5, so we get 9 times 5 minus 5. 9 times 5 is 45, minus 5. So our angle measure is 40 degrees. We may want to plug it in the other side just to make sure. If we plug in 5 for x, 7 times 5 is 35, plus 5 is 40, so we get the same thing. So now I want to give you one to try on your own. Okay, take a few minutes and try that on your own and see if you can find the value, the measure of the full angle ABC. So you're not finding that angle measure or that angle measure, you're finding the total of ABC. All right, so in our next problem, we've got the measure of angle ABC, the big angle. We've got the measure of angle DBC. So we want to find the value of x. So if this is our total, we know that if we add this angle and this angle, we'll get the total angle. So let's take what our total angle is. Let's just call this y for now, just to give it something to call it. So if we take our total and we set it equal to this plus this, then we can find what our y needs to be. So I need to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract 3x and I'm going to subtract 6 to cancel those out. I'm going to subtract 3x here and I'm going to subtract 6. So that other angle, which we're calling y right now, is going to be equal to x plus 10. So I'm going to change that to x plus 10. Okay, Now I can go in and I can solve for my variable x, because I know this is equal to that. Okay. Solve for x just like before. I'm going to subtract x from both sides and get 2x. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides and get 4, and divide both sides by 2. So we get x equals 2. Now, if I needed to go in and find any other angles, I could plug in 2 for this and that. I could plug in 2 into ABX and find the total of ABX. I can find any angle measure I want once I have the value for x. All right, so same thing, I'm going to give you one to try on your own. And on this one, I want you to find the measure of angle ABC in degrees.